A terrible tragedy in Bollywood. Over the last 24 hours, Bollywood has been mourning. And I dare say a section has huge guilt on their conscience. Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput's last rites were conducted today. He left this earth after committing suicide. And now we are being told, viewers, that he might have been a victim of professional bullying, being an outsider, not belonging to the PLU club, the set of A-listed VVIPs who saw him as a threat, this young, promising star. They made him think that he was inadequate. They made him think he was a useless actor, even though, viewers, he was talent, raw talent, who reprised some unforgettable roles. Today, some of those who are shedding crocodile tears have been exposed by the industry themselves. There's Sapna Bhavnani, there's Shekhar Kapoor, Nikhil Dwivedi, Kangana Ranaut. And I want to ask some questions tonight. And I'm going to go straight across to Vani Tripathi. Vani Tripathi, yes, mourn the loss of this actor, this promising actor, but don't shed crocodile tears, don't you think? It's so wrong when they say, oh, you should have come to us. Oh my gosh, unbelievable, gone too soon. Let's face it, Vani Tripathi, they let him down, they betrayed him completely.
Absolutely. We all collectively failed him. And, Rahul, what was so spectacular about this boy was that he was not just a very fine actor. He was a very inquiring kind of a mind. Very rarely do you get the sense of inquiry that he had. I mean, I remember one of the first conversations I had with him years ago was in quantum physics. And I was totally astounded at the level of intelligence and brilliance of the boy. So we all should hang our head in shame today on this conspiracy of silence. You know, when Shekhar tweeted today, and I would put this on record, that year before last, Shekhar, I had contacted for a masterclass at the International Film Festival of India, Goa. And Sushant himself came up to me and said, Vani, can I please do this? So I said, Sushant, the masterclass is supposed to be a director's monolith. He said, no, I really want to do an in-conversation with him. And the next 2 to 3 hours, both of them were on stage with thousands of people in Goa, listening to some of the most brilliant minds on cinema, on the craft of acting, on the craft of creating stories. And today, while I'm saying this, I'm getting goose pimples, Rahul, that we have not just lost a fine actor. Chichori's last film was a huge blockbuster. It was on the box office, one of the most successful films of the year. So anybody who will say that he had a failed career and he was unsuccessful should actually rot in hell tonight. What is most important to understand is that Sushant is a message that the industry needs to get out of its incestuousness. It will have to recalibrate the way it looks at talent, and it will have to do some inward thinking.
Rupa Ganguly, these words, what happened to you was their karma, not yours. Words from Shekhar Kapoor to Sushant. Today, bring out what has been only whispered in Bollywood, that there are insecure dynasts, a group of PLUs who bond together because they belong to the same class, and they scratch each other's back, and they try to paint those who are outsiders as weak, as infirm, as driven by arrogance and attitude. They snipe and they pass snide remarks. And Sushant Singh Rajput could not take it after a point. It's obvious. Rupa Ganguly.
देखिए, मैं सुशांत को जब उसे मिलती थी, वो बहुत बच्चा था, शुरू में टेलीविजन में काम करते थे, बहुत प्यारा लड़का था, उसका व्यवहार बहुत ही खूबसूरत था। ऐसे सिचुएशन में जब हमने उनको देखा, तब उसको स्टारडम मिलते हुए हमने देखा। उसको स्टारडम मिलने के बाद कैसा एक स्टार टेलीविजन में बहुत पावरफुल हो जाता है, वो मैंने देखा। उसके बाद भी उससे मेरी कई बार मुलाकातें हुई, जहाँ पे उसका वो बिहेवियर कहीं किसी तरह से चेंज नहीं था। वैसा ही इंसान था। और जैसे हम जैसे लोगों को, सुशांत जैसे एक्टर जो बॉम्बे में इतने फेमस हो गए थे, उसको क्या जानने की जरूरत है कि कौन नेशनल अवार्ड एक्ट्रेस कहाँ से कलकत्ता से आई हुई है, कोई जरूरत नहीं थी। लेकिन उसके बिहेवियर में मुझे कभी चेंज नहीं दिखा। लेकिन ये मैं जानती थी, और मैं बहुत आश्चर्य नहीं हुई हूँ। मैं जानती थी मुंबई पहले से ही बहुत कटथ्रोट इंडस्ट्री है, लेकिन अब जो हम इतने आगे बढ़ चुके हैं, इतने सारे घटना एक साथ, सोशल मीडिया इतने एक्टिव हो चुके हैं, हमारे समय में तब नहीं था। अभी जब लोग इतने कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं सुशांत के बारे में, कुछ लोग ऐसे उल्टा पट्टा क्या सब लिख रहे हैं, मिस्टर भट्ट ने कुछ लिखा है और उनके कुछ लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ लिखा है, मैं इनसे बस ये कहना चाहूंगी, अगर लगता है कि ये लड़का इसको कोई गलती हो रही थी या उसको कुछ तकलीफें हो रही थी, तो क्या उसे आगे आके मदद नहीं करना चाहिए था इन सारे लोगों को? कि सारे लोग मिलकर उसे मदद नहीं करनी चाहिए?
That is why Kangana Ranaut, ma'am, has said that, and these are her words. She says this was not a suicide but a murder. Komal Nahata, I want to ask you. Anubhav Sinha says Bollywood Privilege Club must sit down and think hard tonight. They're answerable, aren't they? Let's be honest. There is a privilege club. They're incestuous, as Vani Tripathi says. They don't like outsiders. They're insecure, undeserving.
Where is there not favoritism, nepotism, to which exists in every industry, this industry? But you must realize that if there was only nepotism in the industry, Aditya Chopra, one of the most powerful producers, would also be making every film with his own brother.
So talent has its place in this industry, and to think that talent is not respected, then how do we make a successful film? Nepotism से successful फिल्में नहीं बनती है. Blockbusters, you
We are
can't make
not talking
blockbusters.
about capacities and capabilities, Mr. Nahata. We are talking about exclusivism. I hope you understand the difference that I'm trying to make here. This is not about talent. You know, everyone will back an actor because there's a selfish and a vested reason to do so. If he's getting in, you know, the movie goers, if he's making the box office turn, then you'll adopt everybody. You'll adopt everybody. The point is, yes, Dr. Anand Ranganathan wants to come in. I'm running out of time. Yes, Dr. Anand Ranganathan. Why don't you explain the difference to Mr. Nahata?
Yeah. You know, Sushant was searching for a library in a fish market. A brilliant, well-read engineer interested in philosophy and astronomy, with his home full of science memorabilia and instruments, curious about life, its fickleness, absurdity. He was a misfit in Mumbai and aware of it. And as far as nepotism is concerned, of course it exists in all fields. But the fact, Rahul, is that in no other field does it impact more than the film industry. Yes, one can say that making films is a private enterprise, and so the director and the producer and the financier can do what they like with their money. They aren't forcing the common public to come and pay and sit through their film. This is true. But this is also true that, like in politics, where a dynast gets 24 chances to try and succeed after repeated failures, a Bollywood dynast also gets to do the same.
Yes.
And almost always, tragically, it is at the cost of a gifted, talented newcomer. Unless film financing changes, and it is changing with OTT and new finance companies coming in, there is little hope. And as far as quality is concerned, just 30 seconds, Rahul, I do not buy the argument of the film industry that we only dish out masala because the public wants it. No, the public wanted Sushant's movies. You know, as Barth has said, the birth of the reader is the death of the writer. India is a land of the greatest stories ever told, but someone needs to tell them. You know, at one level, great art is surprisingly fluid and difficult to pigeonhole. Stare at a painting for hours and it transforms magically into a film. Lose yourself completely in a great film and you start to imagine it as a book. And behind every great work of art is an artist who realizes this. You know, Balraj Sahni and Gurudutt were such men.
True.
Sushant could have been another.
True, absolutely true. That's the difference. Komal Nahata and anyone else who cares to listen to the words that have been expressed by at least 3 panelists. We leave it at that, viewers. The story gets bigger as we get out more testimonies for you tonight at 9 o'clock with Navika Kumar. Stay with us.